Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we're going to talk about improving the thing that makes you human, throwing patterns. The reason that most people in the modern world have pain, the number of people in the modern world with back pain is very, very, very high. It comes from a seated culture. We are victims of the success of our own society. The majority of people sit down every day. When we sit down, everything gets weird inside of our body. The length tendon relationships of our tendons, our ligaments, and our muscles is out of whack. The way that we get rid of pain is by restoring the patterns of movement that we should have. That means throwing patterns. You should work on it every day forever. You are not done. If you are still in pain, you should probably still be working on your throwing patterns. That means break it down with inside circles, outside circles, shield casts, run logical, progressive programs from now until forever. Because pain sucks and nobody should be in pain, and the information that you need to get out of pain is heavy club swinging. The point of this exercise is it makes you good at doing a side rotational clean. If you do barbell, kettlebell, any type of athletic training, sandbag, doesn't matter, you practice cleans or getting weights up. What you do with clubs is you practice rotational swing cleans. Every sport utilizes rotation, all of them. I can't think of one that doesn't. Maybe there's one, I don't know. So you need to practice loaded rotation. You need to practice inside, you need to practice outside, you need to combine it with pullovers because that is a throwing pattern. This is a breakdown drill meant to make you better at the mill and the reverse mill. Those are your target exercises. This exercise is an inside clean to a pullover to help you focus on getting your thumb all the way back down in the back of the throwing position. Pick up the club with two hands for now. Later on, you can pick it up with one hand after you're good at picking things up. Two hands, one hand stacks on top of the other. Elbows locked. Pick it up with your legs. Elbow starts and stops on the body. This is a single arm exercise. We are going to do the pendulum with two hands first, take away the bottom hand to get to single arm. If you do it with two hands, you'll probably be rotating the right way. Bottom hand on. Rotate towards the inside without moving our feet. Push to elbow lock on both arms. That's how far you push. Tip, swing, pull, load, swing back up, and catch. Rotate, push, swing, pull, catch. Come back to center, stand all the way up. Rotate, push, swing, pull, catch, come back to center. Now that we have primed our body by doing it with two hands, we're going to move our hand to the bottom and we're going to do it with one hand. Rotate the same distance you did with two hands. Rotate, push, swing, pull, catch, stop. Let's add the 180 pullover. Hand goes past the same side ear. Rotate 180 degrees. Elbow starts and stops on the body. Go back the way you came. Behind the head, rotate 180 degrees, pause. Behind the head, rotate, pull over, stop. Elbow touches body. Push, swing, pull, catch. Push, swing, pull the elbow to the hip, catch. Push, swing, pull, catch. Push, swing, pull, catch. Elbow is the important part. If your elbow is off the body, you will not be able to go up in weight because your skeleton's not in the right spot. Elbow on the body. Inside towards the center line, 180 pullover, 180 pullover, inside. Come back to center, straighten your arm out, set it all the way down with good technique. Let's show it from the back. Rotate. It is a side rotational power clean. Thumb touches shirt, stop. We are rotating 180 degrees without moving our feet. Our ankles, our hips, our knees, and our spine should be rotating. Push, swing, pull, catch, load the legs. Do the pullover. Thumb touches the shirt. Pause. The better you get at mills, the better you get at everything. It is the movement pattern that defines you as a human. It is the reason you have thumbs. It is the reason that there is civilization. You should be good at it and you should practice it forever.